You've probably already seen videos like this on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. One faceless Instagram channel impresses with its videos, which have gained 9, 17, and 13 million views. But the main question is how to create such videos. Today I will talk about the process of creating them, from designing visual elements to editing with sound effects and music. And the most interesting thing is that people earn more than $10,000 a month from this through brand deals, sponsorship, and millions of views. Let's get started. The first step in creating images is to create a hint for the images. I will use ChatGPT for this. I will show you how to generate not only images with a waterfall, but also with a motorcyclist in various scenarios. Here we will need ChatGPT, so open it and paste this invitation. It also has an example of a previous query so that the bot can generate new scenes with a motorcyclist. As you can see, ChatGPT did a great job. Now let's copy one of the prompts to check what result the artificial intelligence will give. As you can see, we have a new scenario with a motorcyclist, which means that you will always have the opportunity to create unique videos. Great. Let's move on to the next step. The second step of creating an image is that I will use Leonardo AI for this. Open Leonardo AI, select Create Image, and then the interface appears. Here we select the desired generation model, then set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Next, insert your hint and click Generate. After a while, the image will be ready and you can view it. It looks amazing. All that remains is to download it. Repeat this process for all the images and upload them. Now let's move on to the next step. The third step is to turn our images into videos. We need to animate them, so I'll switch to Halo AI. Here we select this option and then this interface opens. Make sure that you have the necessary settings selected, then upload the image, insert the hint, select the generation model and click Generate. Now it remains to wait a little while for the video to be created. Here is the result. The video came out perfectly. Now download it. Repeat this process for all the images and upload them. The fourth step is to add background music and sound effects. To do this, go to Pixabay, where you can find music and sound effects without copyrights. First, we look for the sound of a motorcycle. Enter motorcycle ride and select the appropriate option, then download. Next, we find the waterfall noise effect and upload it. Finally, we select the background music suitable for the video. Now we move on to the fifth and final step, editing the video and its final assembly. I will use CapCut for this. First, open a new project and import all the necessary files, video clips, and audio tracks. After that, add the video to the timeline and set the aspect ratio to 9:16 so that it matches the vertical video format. Next, zoom in the video slightly to hide the watermark, if there is one. Now let's move on to working with sound. Add motorcycle and waterfall sound effects, and then adjust the volume so that the sound is not too loud or conversely too quiet. If necessary, change the speed of the video so that it is perfectly synchronized with the sound effects. To do this, select the desired video fragment, go to the upper right corner, select the speed change option and adjust it to your liking. Now we add background music. It is important to reduce its volume so that it does not drown out the main sound effects. After that, we proceed to the final processing. Open the color settings and adjust settings such as saturation, clarity, contrast, and brightness to make the video look as attractive as possible. The final stage is export. Go to the export section, enter the name of your video, select the desired quality, and click Export. Ready. In just a few minutes, you will have a high-quality edited video, fully ready for publication. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so that you don't miss the new training programs. Join me in analyzing and repeating all the steps, developing and achieving success together. Let's grow, develop, and achieve success.